Plotly is a plotting and open source library. The plotting library and open source, which facilitates interactive plotting. That's the key. The other plotting tools we saw, Matplotlib and Pandas and all that, and Seaborn, they were not for interactive plotting. But Plotly is for interactive plotting. I'll show you, demonstrate. You'll see it very interesting, really. Python, R, MATLAB, Arduino, and and rest among others are among the programming languages supported by this library. So the Plotly is supported in MATLAB, okay, also. So this library is universally usable. Cufflink is a plugin and a Python library that connects Plotly and Pandas, because we need Pandas for handling data frames. So you need Plotly for plotting, and so connecting these two is Cufflink. So it enables us to plot directly on data frames. As I told you, Plotly charts are very interactive, very, very interactive, allowing us to hover over values. You can just move your mouse like this. You can, and it will tell you what is the data there behind that point. And out of graphs, you can zoom in and out of graphs, and identifying outliers in the data set. All that you can do. See, outliers plays a very important role in determining the quality of the machine learning algorithms. So it helps you to identify outliers also. Matplotlib and Seaborn, on the other hand, are static, whereas Plotly is dynamic. We can't zoom in or out, and every value on the chart isn't detailed. You cannot just hover around. You can't do that. You will see there's really no comparison between Plotly and the Matplotlib and Seaborn, which were once upon a time one of the best plotting libraries. The Plotly's most important feature is that it allows to create dynamic web charts directly from Python, which is not possible with Matplotlib. That's why I didn't want to miss it. I wanted to add Plotly to my course. I'll take you to the Jupyter Notebook. So let us come from the same program I put here. So importing Pandas, importing libraries, Pandas, PD, Cufflink as CF, Plotly is offline, and CF also goes offline. Then configuration file is done it. So execute this, run it. Okay, no problem. If there's a problem, it will flag it. Now we are going to plot the histogram for R&D spend and install startups. One value is enough. Okay. So we are using the same old footy startups.csv file, which is available in my ML programs directory. So df is equal to pd.read.csv. You will read the file, and df data frame R&D spend dot iplot kind is equal to histogram, min is equal to 20, theme is equal to white. All that you do. So let me execute this, run this. Got it? The same program I showed you there in the PowerPoint. Run it, you will get a nice histogram. See? The title will be given for this startup. The y-axis is count, and x-axis is current, R&D spend. So I can hover over here. Anywhere I go, it will tell me what is the value. 25K to 34. That is the class interval. 25K to 34.9. And what is 3? 3 is the count. 15K 24.9. That is my bin or class interval, and the count is 4. See, this facility was not there in Seaborn or Matplotlib. Okay, so this is 105k to 150k. The count is 1. So like that you can do count is 2. So you can, however, this is not the end of it. There is a lot more to learn, lot more to see in the. So you click export to plot.ly and you will see very interesting things here. I was really amazed by looking at the plotly capabilities. So this is what we saw there. Okay, this is what we saw there. The histogram for R&D spend. So now what I do is I click style, then I click traces. Then what I do is I enable this. Okay, what you got it? The same histogram, increasing order. It's rearranged in increasing order. I can do decreasing order. See, you can play with it really. And the bar mode is overlaid now. So you can change. Bar width 100% and bar padding is 0%. So I can increase the bar mode is overlaid. I can say grouped. Oh, sorry. Let it be overlaid. I'll show you this one. This I'll change it to the bar padding. I'll make it 20%. And we see what happens. See, there's a gap you're seeing. If you pay 40%, or 65%, you'll find more gaps. See? Can you imagine? this kind of playing a few years ago. Bar width increase it or decrease it 55%. I'm doing the bar width, I reduce it. I can increase it 200%. It will overlay. It might not even accept it. 100% the maximum. So this I can make it 10%. So it will become more pros. See the wonders of this plotting. You can have, and also it gives you a lot of suggestions also. Okay, I'll show you. I can show you what suggestion gives. So I'll go to style. Okay, I'll go back. I think I have to close this. I can close this. I do it again. So you will get. It will give you a lot of suggestions also. He says note in vertical orientation. We have said vertical orientation. No, X values are used for binning. So binning means making the intervals. If Y values are provided, they are used as inputs to the histogram function, which you can configure in the traces panel under style. If Y values are omitted, the histogram function defaults to count. See, so much information it gives. Okay, close it. Okay, histogram for R&D spend we did. Now we can do it for profit. Go for profit. Then again the same thing you can do. Got it? This is code I explained to you already. So this for profit. I can do for scatter plot. Say here, use the direct, that is between R&D spend and profit. There is a direct relationship, directly proportional. That's why, and you now see when you hover over it, it tells me the values, X and Y values. X and Y values. X is 44, Y is 89. X is 15. I'm shifting the Y. 142, 166. Like that, this is an additional advantage. Now we'll go to bar plot, stacked mode. You can do without stacking also, but you can also stack it. See, stacked plots. I'm seeing all the 5. This 50 startup data, R&D spend is on top. So what is bottom? Bottom is probably the profit. Yeah, profit. The next one is, so you can see from the legend. R&D spend is this color. R&D spend is this color. Administration is this color. So R&D spend, if you see, okay, so this is R&D spend. What is the bottom of R&D spend? Then next is all the five of them are there. So here again, you can read what it is. 11.249746K. Would you like to go to Plotly? We will export to Plotly. It will get the same thing. Now we can again style, traces. You bar graph, stick, stack, bar width, all this you can do. Okay. Legend name is there. You can hide it also. Show also. Style, traces, style, traces. What is traces? Yeah, style, traces. So show in legend is there. Bar grouping, size and this one. Normalization. Alright. You can also collapse all. You want to try this? Expand all, collapse all. Okay. So now we can increase the bar width is there. Bar width you can make it 10%. Let's see what happens. And we can also make it bar width is 10%. And bar padding I'll make it 30%. Yes, I'm trying it. Okay, I don't know how to go. It changes. Make it 10%. And this you can make it 30. So it becomes wider. So it's all stacked. So like that you can see all that. The Plotly Studio, this is Plotly Studio. It is an online thing. You have an account, you can sign in. Okay. So we are saying that now the last chart is pie chart. I didn't show you pie charts with the with other tools. I'm showing you only with Plotly because it's really interesting. See the diagram. This is the data frame. Then figure PX is Plotly Express. Here we are going to use Plotly Express. What is Plotly Express? You must know. Plotly Express is not Plotly. We can do things very quickly. Okay. So Plotly, we are going to use Plotly Express, not Plotly. So we are importing Plotly Express as PEX. We are importing Plotly Express as PEX. This is I'm doing pie chart using Plotly Express. So data frames equal PD, the same 50 startups data, and fig given values equal to profit and names. Yeah, I'm going to give the pie chart of the profit with the states. So you remember one of the 5 columns is states in the 50 startup data set. Let us run it. What a beautiful pie chart. So these are all, see, these are 3 states. I mean, there are 3 states only. New York, profit is so much. This is California, profit is so much. And this is Florida, profit is so much.